Hello, it's Bill Nye, the science guy. Chemical reactions. When you think of them, you normally think of eruptions, like maybe elephant toothpaste, or maybe even Coca-Cola and Mentos. So Coca-Cola and Mentos is a pretty common chemical reaction that you can find all over the internet. But most people, including most of you guys, don't know what happens on a molecular level. So I'm just going to show you what happens when you add Coca-Cola and Mentos for those of you that don't know what happens. But then I'm going to tell you about what happens on the molecular level. So that was good, I guess, but I think we should add a little bit more. Oh, I guess it doesn't work twice. Interesting. So basically what happened in the first experiment when I put in the Mentos was that the carbon dioxide that was in that Mentos reacted with the carbon dioxide that was inside the Coca-Cola bottle, the dissolved carbon dioxide, and they reacted to form even more carbon dioxide molecules and bubbles, which caused the eruption. But the second time around when I put in 3 or 4, I don't remember, the reason it didn't have a reaction was because all the carbon dioxides or the carbonation that was inside the Coca-Cola bottle when we first did the experiment erupted with the first experiment, so that's why it didn't have a reaction the second time around. Okay, so another common and easy to do chemical reaction is vinegar and baking soda. I've got some of my dad's apple cider vinegar. I don't know why he drinks that. And we got some expired baking soda that expired 2 years ago. And we're gonna try the reaction. Wait, what? Basically what just happened in the vinegar and the baking soda experiment was that the sodium bicarbonate and the acetic acid inside the vinegar reacted to the water, carbon dioxide, and sodium acetate, which caused the reaction.
Okay, so I know what you're thinking. Why would you do those two chemical reactions? They're like so common and everybody knows about the Coca Mentos and the vinegar and baking soda experiment. But to you, I say that the reason I did those was to give you an example of what I've been researching this whole time. So during the duration of this project, I've been doing a lot of researching on a lot of different chemical reactions and stuff like that and how they work. But I chose to do those two because you most likely know them, but you don't know what happens on a molecular level. So I explained that to you, and because that was the cheapest and easiest to get chemical reaction. Like there was a lot of chemical reactions that I wanted to do that were either too expensive, too time consuming, or too dangerous to do in my backyard. So, yeah.